Ever pondered the secret to crafting perfect pasta in an instant pot? The allure of a beautifully cooked pasta dish with each strand just the right side of al dente is something many strive for. Let's unravel this culinary mystery together. First, select your pasta. Whether it's spaghetti, penne, or fusilli, the choice is yours. Bear in mind that different types of pasta require slightly varying cooking times. Once you've made your choice, measure out the desired amount. A good rule of thumb is about 2 ounces per person for a main dish. Next, place the pasta in the instant pot. Pour in enough water to fully submerge the pasta. The rule of thumb here is to use 1.5 cups of water for every 4 ounces of pasta. Don't forget to add a good pinch of salt to the water. This will season the pasta as it cooks, enhancing its flavor. Now, onto the cooking process. Close the lid of the instant pot and set the valve to sealing. Select the manual or pressure cook setting. When it comes to the cooking time, a handy trick is to have the cooking time suggested on the pasta packet, then subtract an additional minute. This will ensure your pasta is perfectly al dente. Once the timer beeps, it's time for the final step. Release the pressure manually by carefully moving the valve to venting. Make sure to keep your hands and face away from the steam that will be released. After the pressure is fully released, carefully open the lid and give the pasta a good stir. And voila! You've just cooked the perfect pasta in an instant pot. Remember, the real secret lies in the timings. Different pasta shapes and sizes require different cooking times, so always refer to the pasta packet for guidance. To summarize, 1. Choose your pasta and measure the desired amount. 1. Submerge the pasta in water in the instant pot, adding a good pinch of salt. 1. Close the lid, set the valve to sealing, and select the manual or pressure cook setting. 1. Set the cooking time to half the suggested time on the pasta packet, minus an additional minute. 1. Once the timer beeps, release the pressure manually and stir the pasta. Armed with these steps and tips, you're now ready to create your own pasta masterpiece in an instant pot. So go forth and cook up a storm. Your dinner guests, or even just your own taste buds, will thank you.